Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your ETH securely in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on Kraken, the exchange where your Ethereum is currently held, and the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. Arculus is a popular hardware wallet for its top-notch security features, so double-check that it's properly synced and you're logged in. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to the Receive section. Here, you'll generate a unique Ethereum address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so avoid any typos to prevent losing your funds. Pro tip: always verify the address by scanning a QR code if available, as this reduces error risks. Next, log into your Kraken account on their website or app. Head over to the Wallets or Funding section and select Ethereum from your asset list. Look for the Withdraw option and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. In the withdrawal form, paste the Ethereum address you copied from Arculus. Then, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, Kraken might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, review the transaction details carefully. Before confirming, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Hit confirm, and Kraken will process your withdrawal. Depending on network congestion, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once the transfer is complete, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the ETH has arrived. If you run into any issues, reach out to Kraken or Arculus support promptly. And there you have it. That's how you safely move your Ethereum. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.